Zoho CRM for calls. Manage calls and contacts with Zoho. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Let's teach you how you will be able to use your calls and manage them and utilize the different features. So first things first, over here in our homepage, what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on calls over here on our navigation bar. And in this page, this is where you will be able to see and check out and of course manage everything related to your calls over here. You could create a call if you prefer. You could schedule or log a call into our list over here. To manage it, you can simply select the specific options or the specific list that you want and click on our edit over here. You can edit your different calls if you prefer. And to manage it specifically, you could mark or you can click on the three dots over here, which will allow us to mark as complete, schedule a call, or cancel the call. And of course, the people who will be receiving or related this call to, you could simply select them as well. So if you unselect this one, click on create call, schedule a call. You could select the contacts over here on who you want this call to be for. So in the contacts, you will be able to manage it under our contacts section over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.